My family could rebuild this Lego set each fall. That was my thinking when I bought the Dried Flower Centerpiece set. Building excitement for this family project was harder than I thought. This video is about challenges to reusing Lego. My family eagerly assembled this set when it was new. Why did the set sit untouched for weeks after I brought it back out this year? On Thanksgiving, I decided to build it myself while making a video about goods management. A piece fell on the ground. I found it. That's goods management. Sorting Lego is goods management too. I enjoyed sorting the Lego, but I also fantasized about a future where such tasks can be delegated to robots. Deconstructing Lego is hard on the hands. To keep sorting Lego manageable, I avoid mixing Lego sets, but playing with only one set at a time limits fun and creativity. Maybe one day, after kids play with all their Lego and all their friends' Lego, a goods management system can put all the bricks back where they belong. I'm only human. Despite my efforts to keep the set in order, a few pieces are broken, and this little green piece doesn't seem to belong. Computers could eventually do a much better job at goods management. Managed things are easier to reuse. With these bricks better organized, my kid wanted to create a Lego animation. But will the centerpiece be completed for Thanksgiving dinner? My kid got ideas for creating animations over the internet. More information can lead to ideas for reuse. When I was a kid, the cameras, software, and access to information weren't good enough for me to easily create Lego animations. Over my lifetime, I saw information management dramatically improve. I believe goods management will undergo a similar revolution as today's kids grow up. During sorting, I was thinking about the logistics of managing Lego. During the build, I thought about how information affects goods management. The information in the guide seemed to enhance the building experience. I liked the creativity of reusing whips, oars, and shoulder parts to represent specific flowers. Next year, I might enhance the build with a playlist of videos for each flower, or I might look for alternative builds online. Combining multiple sets creates even more options for reusing Lego. Branches of the family could each build part of multiple sets to be combined into a giant centerpiece. Or my kid could combine a lot of Lego into a unique masterpiece. Maybe future Lego enthusiasts will borrow Lego sets from a goods management system, like checking books out of a library or renting movies from a video store, as it was once done. This year, the centerpiece set was only half complete, long after Thanksgiving dinner. So what? Starting the build led to quality family time and a video about goods management. Creative projects don't always go as planned, but starting something can lead to something. I have a bunch of ideas for goods management. Combining improved logistics with information encouraging reuse could be useful for a lot more than just Lego bricks. Maybe after I organize the ideas well enough, maybe someone like you, will take over my project and build something good for the world.